What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay. I'm just checking in with you guys real quick, and today I got something very special for you. But before we get into that, guys, if this is the first time you're catching any video on the channel, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can always be notified when I drop any new video. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, so in one of my previous videos, you saw the Ulanzi U-Rig Pro coupled with the LED lights, the microphone, and my iPhone 8 Plus. So this is what that rig actually looked like. However, today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick rig that I bought for the GoPro Hero 5. Okay, so GoPro Hero 5, what we have is the Ulanzi MT08 mini extension pole tripod. The reason I got this is so that I can use this tripod for the actual U-Rig Pro here. And we have the Ulanzi V2 Pro. This is a rig for the actual GoPro, comes with the housing, and it has a spot for your adapter, guys. It has a spot for the adapter. And right here, we have the horseshoe mounts and all those things. So what I'm gonna end up doing is putting this thing together. I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna put it together, and I'm gonna take a couple of pieces off of the U-Rig Pro here, and we're going to fit that on the GoPro Hero 5. Now this case here specifically is for the 5, 6, and 7. This is a GoPro Hero 5 Black, I meant to say. So we're gonna unbox these things. We're gonna put that together, take a few pieces off of the U-Rig Pro since we already have them, and we're gonna see what it looks like once we get this up and running, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we have everything that we're going to be using for the actual rig for the GoPro. So first up, we're gonna take a quick look at the MT08 mini extension pole tripod. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. I'm ripping the box because why not? So go ahead and take that out. There's nothing else in the box. So let's toss that to the side. Take this plastic off. Toss that to the side. So first off, feels kind of hefty. You can tell it's like some hard plastic, but it's a little hefty. Has a little bit of weight to it. This is how you adjust the ball here. And let's just open this up and see how it looks. So pretty small, but you should be able to also extend this. Yep, so you should be able to extend that. It doesn't go too far, but it's just enough, for the GoPro. It's not too long. I give that a few inches, 8 maybe. Let me see if it says it on the actual back of the box, how many inches or anything it is. MT08, I would assume it's about 8 inches because it says MT08, but that's about how big it is. So let's go ahead and close this back up. So there we have it. You just tighten it back up if you want the ball to stop moving. The little swivel head, you unloosen it, and you got your swivel action back. So let's set that off to the side. So what we have right now is the MT08, the tripod, we have the mic, we have the GoPro Hero 5, we have one of the LED lights off the U-Rig, and we have the GoPro adapter. So next up is the Ulanzi V2 Pro. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Nothing else is in the box. Okay, so what we have right here is the GoPro housing with the mic adapter already built into it. You have your horseshoe mounts and stuff like that. How you open this is you press this little button here on the side right here, and it should open like that. And you just slide the GoPro in, and then you should be able to just close it back like that. So put that there. Next, you have just kind of like a lens. So in case you want to add a lens to it, I think this might be a lens cover, honestly, right here. But if you want to add one of those lenses to the front of your GoPro, you can do that. And then last but not least, the piece that really makes the most sense is this piece. Now, this is the piece that I was kind of waiting for, because I can put my light here, and I can put the mic, or I can put the GoPro. I can put a lot of different things on here. Okay, guys, so we're going to try to put this thing together right here on the cam real quick. So bear with me. My first time putting this thing together. So take the back off. We're going to I'm moving pretty fast, guys. Throw the GoPro in like that. Okay, we got that secured. I'm going to take the adapter next because I know it goes on this side. And the biggest opening is on this side. So we'll take this through, try to get the adapter to come through like that, and we'll plug it in right here. So far it plugs in just like that. That's what it's looking like. Everything is secure. Then we'll take this and we'll put the GoPro in like this and get this cinched down really tight, just like that. So now that's pretty tight and that's sitting on there just like that. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the light, slide it in just like this, and see if we can get this to cinch down really tight. So far we're looking just like this. That's what we're looking like so far. And last but not least, we just got to get the mic on there and we can wrap this thing up, guys. So slide the mic on there just like that. And look at this. And then I will plug this in here just like that. And look, guys. Now I can do some cable management and stuff like that, just so you guys can see it right now. But I can do some cable management. But that is what it's gonna look like, guys, when it's all said and done. And I can even put the mic over here and put the light above the GoPro, whatever way I kind of want to rock it. I don't have the cat, it's in the drawer, but this is what it's looking like. So we can open up the tripod and we can stand it up and we can talk like that, we can record like that, and so forth. I think this is amazing. And we can also extend it those 8 inches if we need to. So honestly, guys, I think this is a great vlogging setup right here, guys. Just giving you guys a quick look at what it's looking like. Let's see if we can get the GoPro to turn. I think the battery is charged. Yep, and we got some GoPro action, guys. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna set this here. And this has been the Ulanzi V2 Pro GoPro housing for the 5, 6, and 7 with the built-in adapter for the mic. This has also been the MT-08. I'm sure that's the MT-08 extension pole, tripod, and you guys already saw the Ulanzi U-Rig. Those are the LED lights. We got the shotgun mic, guys. I mean, just such a great setup for anybody that's doing any kind of videos, guys. Anyway, it's been your man Jay. I'm gonna get out of here. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please leave a like. Make sure you comment. And do not forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can always be notified when I drop any new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.